Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the concept of line and staff. Line and staff agencies are government agencies. We can say government agencies can be classified into line and staff agencies. If we are writing our answer, then we can use these type of words and certainly this will enhance marks. Therefore, we can use these type of words in answer writing. So what is the concept of line and staff? We are going to discuss the concept of line and staff. So first of all, line. What is line agency? Very important function of government is implementation of policies, implementation of decision. Government makes decision and decisions are implemented by field officers. And the field officers who are responsible for the implementation of decisions, policies and programs of government are known as line agencies. Line agencies. Therefore, we can say the line agencies are responsible for implementation. That is, agencies which are responsible for implementation or execution of government decisions, policies, programs are known as line agencies. Because implementation is done in field, therefore these agencies are situated in field offices. These agencies are situated in field. For example, government, all departments of government like education department, health department, PWD department, and many more departments are there at district level. And these all departments are line agencies. We can also say that the head of these departments, for example, district magistrate is head of district administration, superintendent police, SP is head of police department, chief medical officer, CMO is head of medical department. So all these uh, authorities are also line agencies. District magistrate is line agency. Superintendent of police is SP is line agency. CMO is chief medical officer is line agency. So all agencies, all authorities which are functioning in field and they are properly communicating with people, they are serving people directly, are known as line agencies. So these are line agencies. And the second agency is a staff agency. A staff agency. Line agencies are situated in field, but staff agencies are situated at headquarter level. At headquarter level. That is very near to government, very near to executive, very near to minister, very close to minister. Why these are situated very close to executive, chief executive, minister? Because these are responsible for advisory role. Advisory role. What is advisory role? What is advice? What is advisory role? Ministers make decisions, they frame policies, programs, etc. But taking decision, framing policies, programs is not, these are not easy tasks in practice. These are very difficult in nature. And these tasks require specialist knowledge so that good decisions can be taken, good policies can be framed, good programs can be framed. Therefore, for making special advice for making specialist advice. Some agencies are constituted at headquarter level, and these agencies who are constituted for advisory role for specialist advice are known as staff agencies. For example, for example, many agencies are there at headquarter level which are established for their specialist advisory role. Therefore, these agencies are known as staff agencies. And if we are writing for these agencies in examination, then we can use these type of specific words for these agencies. For example, Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog is a staff agency because it advises to government. UPSC is also a staff agency because it plays an advisory role for personnel management by the government. So it is a staff agency. NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, UGC, University Grant Commission, and many more organizations are there at headquarter level, very close to government, which are responsible for specialist advice to the government. And these agencies are known as staff agencies. So these are classification of line and staff agencies for the government. So hope you will be able to understand the concept of line and staff, and you can use these words frequently in your writing. But if you have any question, then feel free to ask. Thank you.